Last night these two bouncers and one of them's alright, the other one's a scary, and his way or no way, totalitarian. He's got no time for you, looking or breathing how he don't want you to. So step out the queue, he makes examples.
Illegal to sell, but it's legal to have in your possession. It's just like euphoria. You have no problems in the world and you just want to fly.
I know that it's a legal drug, it's easy to buy, and friends have tried it.
I know that it's plant food.
It's pretty easy to get hold of, like my flatmates have it and stuff, but I don't really know the effects of it.
Pretty much like sniffing a line of coke and pills.
If there was a pop chart for recreational drugs, mephedrone would be a fast new entry. The club drug is relatively fresh on the scene, and students are the bulk of its surging popularity as they get their kicks for a night out. But how much is actually known about it, and are young people taking bigger risks than they think? Neil Brooks is the manager of Chill Out Sound Support, an organisation that helps young people with drug addictions.
You can get it over the internet and have it delivered to your door. There's even a Facebook page where you can ask them and they'll bring it round to your house. So the internet pages are like a vibrant shop where it all looks really good and it's good marketing. So ease of use and buying, and it's a legal drug. You can understand why. Drugs will always fit into a category. You get stimulants, you get depressants, you get hallucinogenics. And the people we speak to, a lot of them don't know about those categories and what the effects of those categories are.
Also known as meow, meth or MCAT, the legal substance can be easily ordered on the internet, but with its chemical makeup under constant change and the risk of contamination, it's difficult for users to know exactly what they are taking.
If you're buying it from one place, it could be different from another place. Some are more empathic, like an ecstasy type effect. Some are very much more speedy, amphetamine effect. We also suspect that people that are buying it from the illegal market might be getting very heavily amphet, because some of the people are talking of the paranoia, the anxiousness, the bad wake-ups in the morning.
Drug has a huge array of effects on the body, including heart palpitations, convulsions, anxiety, nosebleeds, and can even cause parts of the body to turn blue. Nottingham student Jake Salmon was a regular user of mephedrone until its side effects just got too much.
I started taking it in August and was 13 stone. Now after taking it every weekend and sometimes during the week, I'm now 10 stone. Sniffing it was like sniffing glass, and I got bad nosebleeds that would last for at least 2 days. My nervous system got really affected by it for a few days after taking it. Anything I saw would just get me scared and I just couldn't deal with it. You don't think it's doing anything that bad to you at first because it's not a normal calm down, but then you realise it's messing with your head. It's a great feeling, but when it's wearing down you want more and just can't take your mind off it.
The drug has been made illegal in parts of Europe such as Sweden and Norway. And next month, the Advisory Council on the Misuse of Drugs is expected to advise the government that mephedrone should be made illegal here in the UK.